Hello everyone and welcome back. It's a weekend and the day started with a light breakfast followed by some fan cleaning. I clean it in the morning because my house help comes during this time. She cleans up all the dirt and mess on the floor while sweeping, which she anyway does. This time management saves me that extra sweeping I have to do if I clean it during the afternoon or evening. We usually go out during the weekends, but seeing the climate today, we decided to stay home. I'm sure you all must have noticed these cracks on the walls in my other videos. We were suggested to wait for at least 1.5 or 2 years before painting them. It was a newly constructed flat, and they say the cracks are caused due to the trapped air within the bricks, so it's obvious to prevail within the said years. The funny part is, it's almost 5 years now, and I was yet to tackle this. I had the POP left after using it in my living room. That was a massive makeover I went for. If you haven't watched that video, please do check it out. It was a drastic transformation of my living room. You'll find the link in the description box. All I've done is mix the POP with some water and fill the cracks. Well, there are a lot of alternatives if you don't wish to get your hands dirty. There are ready to use POP or white cement tubes available in the market. The tube thing makes the job easy and less messy. I'll link some of the brands in the description box for your convenience. A tiny request that please like the video and also subscribe the channel. It gives me a boost to keep creating such simple yet informative content for all of you. The entire room had cracks here and there. It took me quite a time to get done with all of it. Well, there's a lot more coming up about this entire space. There's so much lined up in my upcoming videos and I'm super excited to share it all with you. So stay tuned. And here's how it looks now after all the cracks are filled. It looks better than before. This morning we woke up to the sound of rain. It's been sunny for a few days, so the drizzling felt good. We often go out during weekends, but seeing the climate today, we decided to stay home. It felt like a pause and we made the most of this day together. Here I'm dry roasting some groundnuts which I'll use in our chicken salad. It's an easy peasy meal that all three of us love.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Let me share my quick and easy recipe of this chicken salad with all of you. I'll suggest you to use butter as it tastes better, but since I am running out of it, I'll use some oil. Adding some crushed garlic in hot oil and letting it turn slightly brown to bring in that burnt flavor. Adding chicken cubes and broccoli. Then some salt, soy sauce, and vinegar. The remaining ingredients that we are going to add are some boiled sweet corns, iceberg lettuce, onions, tomatoes, and the peanuts. For kids, these many colors on the table appear as a fun activity. Rhythm shows a lot of excitement whenever I bring up such cool recipes that she can help me with. She believes that the dinner tonight was prepared by her and assisted by me. With this excitement, it becomes easy to make her finish the plate. This pizza seasoning adds an awesome flavor to the salad. If your kid loves pizzas and pastas, these seasonings are a must try to make them fall in love with this healthy portion.
Lovely.
You can make this salad in multiple ways using different salad dressings. If you're a vegetarian, you may replace the chicken with paneer, chickpeas, or anything of your choice. We are practicing early dinner these days, and it seems to work in our favor in many ways. I'll talk about this whole practice and how we are bringing in the change in a different video. I forgot to change the bedsheet all day, so I went ahead to do it before settling in bed. I'm sure most of you would relate to me on this that a freshly spread bedsheet is kind of linked to a sound sleep. I always wonder how these tiny efforts through the day do so much to our thoughts and emotions. For a homemaker with limited social interaction, it may feel overwhelming at times. Trust me, it's not just homemakers but any individual in any situation. Such feeling of overwhelm is normal. In such a situation, always remember to either slow down or take a pause. Help your inner self by doing anything you like, be it dancing, singing, painting, stitching, cooking your favorite meals, or anything that makes you happy and helps you calm down. Also, take this moment to be grateful for everything you have, the tiny selfless efforts made by the people who love you, and the well being of people who you love. You'll slowly but surely feel the shift in your emotions and feelings. Do share how do you handle your slow moments. See, I told you.
Wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Here's a beautiful piece of furniture for my bedroom. I had been eyeing this piece for quite some time now. As I always say, I take my time to decide over what I want in terms of furniture. Ashwin and I finally decided to go ahead with this bedside table, which is made up of solid wood. It looks way better in real than pictures. I prefer solid wood furnitures over any other material now. The reason is their sustenance and durability. We ordered this a couple of weeks back on Amazon and it finally arrived this evening. Do let me know how did you like the bedside table. The link will be available in the description box. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for making it till here. I'll see you next week. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.